Hey everyone, welcome to Sam and Fang Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make pickled jalapeno quail eggs. It comes together really fast. To get started, boil a pot of water and add a pack of quail eggs. I have 18 eggs here. Boil for 4 to 5 minutes so they are hard boiled. Once they're cooked, add the eggs to cold water to stop them from cooking and cool them down. Then peel and rinse the eggs and add to a clean jar. Slice 1 jalapeno and add that to the jar. I also added 2 peeled garlic cloves. For the pickling liquid, add 1 cup of white vinegar to a pot, along with half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of pickling spice, 2 bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon of pickling salt. Give it a quick stir and bring to a boil. Once it has boiled, take it off the heat and carefully pour it into the jar of eggs. Seal the jar tight and store in the fridge when it has cooled down. And that's it! The eggs will be ready to eat in just a few days because of how small they are. They're a little spicy from the jalapeno, but of course you can add more jalapenos if you want the eggs extra spicy. And don't forget to eat the jalapenos too. I love quail eggs, they're so creamy, and the size makes it a perfect snack or side dish. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.